when it comes to pricing with the dental implant centers and either general dentists or dentists that refer out to specialists, we've seen a red flag when the pricing is not on the website. If centers or practices are not transparent with you when it comes to their pricing, that's usually because you're going to get major sticker shock when you go in there. And it's going to be a waste of your time. Uh, they're going to always tell you, we need you to come in for a 3D CT scan because we can't give you a proper treatment unless we see you, which there's some truth to that. But they still have set fees for their all-on-4 procedure, their single implant, their abutment, their crown, depending on whatever they're going to do. But the all-on-4 is a big one. We see pricing anywhere from 9,750 to $29,000 for one arch. For a dual arch, it's up to $58,000, and some are charging $20,000. So why the discrepancy? Why the huge variance? A lot of it has to do with corporate dentistry. A lot of it has to do with that these investment bankers and corporate dentistry and private equity, they've invested into these practices. They need to get a return, so they have to charge more. They just have to. If they're not, if their pricing is not on the dentist office website, I think that's a red flag. We've always been transparent. We've put our pricing multiple locations from our website to our Google page, my business page. We want patients to know so there's no shock. There should never be a shock. This is what we charge. Now, it always could vary a little. You may not qualify because you don't have enough bone. You may need a different type of implant, like the Zygos that we don't do, but we're going to be transparent. But this is what we charge for these procedures and treatments. We don't want to waste your time when you come into the office if you can't afford this. So if you see an office and they won't tell you their pricing and you're going back and forth on Facebook and messaging them or texting them, that's a red flag.